Joms TV Media on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're on our way to Philinvest tent for the Stance Pilipinas car meet. So this is a gathering of different, of course, stands from different cars na, of course, naka-lowered. And of course, yung magagandang stands nila on display. And this will be, I think, the second for this year. Yung last time, ito yung video na we attended sa Bridgetown, at Bridgetown. Ito naman, dito naman sa Philinvest tent sa may Alabang. Alright, so shoutout sa lahat ng members of Stance Pilipinas and of course, to Mr. Kevin Carlos. Congratulations again for a very successful event. I hope you guys enjoy this episode as much as we enjoy creating this video and shooting this video, and please like and subscribe to this channel and also to our Facebook page, which is Joms TV Media. Maraming salamat. Have a great Sunday. God bless. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Escort ko Mexico. You know, nice.
Linis, no?
Linis. Very nice.
Sa guard.
Nice, thank you.
Punta ka sa ano?
Guys, andito tayo sa Stance Pilipinas. At merong, yan, nakakita nitong kotse ni Sir, ni All About Cars sa YouTube channel. Hindi ko lang alam kung kanino, pero yan si Sir nag-inquire, tsaka si Ma'am. Yan. Okay guys, we're here at Stance Pilipinas dito sa Philinvest tent. At yun, I'll walk you through dito sa mga yan, hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain. Sobrang ganda ng mga kotseng nakapark at sobrang gaganda ng mga kotseng umattend. Solid, sobrang solid. Solid nitong event na to. Congratulations to the whole team of Stance Pilipinas. Of course, kay Mr. Kevin Carlos. At ayan, pinapakita yung All About Cars, yung kanya 7th gen. Okay, this is the second meet of Stance Pilipinas for the year. Yung last time, yung nandun tayo sa Bridgetown. Tapos of course, ayun si Mr. Jerry C. Dala niya yung kanyang combi. Tapos may mga Ferraris, may mga 86. At yung mga fans na, ay yung mga ano natin, future. Okay, tapos ito may Zafiro, may SIR, may hatchback na EG. Guys, sobrang, if you're a car enthusiast, you should be here. And if you are fan of cars that are well stance, this is the place that you should be. So check out, kung hindi kayo makapunta, kung hindi nyo napuntahan today, check out their next event. Hopefully, just check out na lang yung Facebook page or page ng Stance Pilipinas. It's overwhelming. Sobrang daming magagandang auto from Wigo, Yaris, Jazz, hatchback, Euro 2 na, I believe this is a Euro 2 na Corolla. Sobrang solid. Ayan, yung Porsche, of course, RWB. Tapos, I think ito yung kay Bombit Gang. So this is Yutaka. Ayan, of course, Sylvia, if I'm not mistaken. Tapos, you have Benz. Solid, do. 190. Tapos Z3, 190. Tapos, of course, BMW.
At of course, yung kay Sir Ryan. Ayan, the West Bay. Kay Sir Ryan, Kiki, his 124 body. Tapos, Yaris. Of course, there's a Porsche na 911. Ano to? 240 SX. Tapos 124 body. Grabe, solid tong meat na to. I mean, tapos ayun, Escort na Mexico, Dimension, FL5. Wow, ganda. Sobrang solid. Tapos of course with underglow lights na Civic. Oops. Grabe, solid. Solid yung meat na Toby ko. Ay, guys, si Kahil, oh. Kamusta, sir?
Naka-idol.
Sir, kanina ka pa ba?
Oo, ang init kanina.
Ang init ba kanina? Ayun, sir. Ay, guys, mga idol natin. Kiki! Of course, Mr. Ryan. That's his car. Ayun, sabi ko na, nandito to eh. Solid West Bay. Solid. Of course, hindi kompleto ang isang car scene kapag wala si After Midnight. Diba, sir? NR. Ano, lutang na. Okay, yan. Wow, solid. Sobrang solid. Solid ng event na to. Tapos ayan, Ichi Hatch. Ganda. Solid, man. Ayan. Whew. Di ko ang alam, guys, pag grabe. Ito yung car scene dito sa Philippines. Shout out dun sa mga friends natin in the United States and of course, Canada. So this is now how it looks like dito sa Philippines when it comes to stance. So you could see like mostly JDM cars from different car group. And of course, car group, of course, Mr. CJ. Check out niyo yung ano niya. Yung Innova niya. Tapos, ayan. Ito yung Altis, oh. Sobrang solid ng build nito. Tapos, ayan, may mga iba't ibang, ito, hindi ko alam kung anong kotse to, pero ang ganda. Parang Suzuki yata to, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, solid, man. Solid yung mga ano dito, mga build. So this is not just an ordinary car meet, parang car show na. Tapos of course, may van na light AC yata to, yung bagong light AC. Of course, from Auto Plus. Okay, so ito yung kasama natin during last year. Ay, nung January pala. Ito yun, yung huli natin nakita sa stands doon sa ayan, solid event. So ito yung mga BMWs. Tapos of course may Alphard na I don't know kung lumang Alphard to. Pero solid, oh. Solid yung build. Man. Nice. Nicely built. Sobrang ganda. Ganda nito. Nice, man. Of course, Civic. Man, solid. So, most of the cars na nakita natin during nung first event sa Bridgetown, sila rin yung mga halos nandito. Tapos,
Oo nga pala, no? No?
so ito, of course, yung Innova na to. Solid, man. Galing. Very nice. Guys, Supra. Ay, hindi. Supra. So shout out sa mga friends natin from different car clubs and car shops. Gusto niyo naman tong Velos na to. Sobrang diin. Guys, yun yung may-ari, oh. Solid. Guys, yan, oh. Si South Junction. Of course, 370Z. Ay, 400Z, sorry. Yan yung mga bagong Z-Class. Guys, solid. Honda. Man. Solid nung Accord. Nicely built. Di ko lang alam kung anong gen tong dalawa, pero to, this is also an Accord. Lipat tayo dito. Siyempre may Camry. Ayan, para makita nyo, labo eh. Ayan, no? 2 generations of Accord. Ito yung 90s. Ito yung 2000. Ay, sige po. Sige, sir. Kasi ito, hindi ko lang alam kung kay ganito, gwapo nung Yaris. Galing. Tapos of course, merong Honda City. Very nice. Sobrang solid nitong event na to. Grabe. Solid. HRV. Oh. Man. Of course, galant. Kalimutan ko na ako anong gen to. Pero ito yata yung tinatawag nilang Sharky. Yan. Ganito. Galing. Wow, ganda ng EG. Nicely built. Very nice. Of course, accent, oh. Just tingnan yung accent. Galing. Galing, man. Tapos ito, ano ba ito? Suzuki. Ciaz. Galing. Sorry, ito yung Supra kanina, guys. Very nice. Damn. Galing, galing. Nice car, sir. Solid. Hey guys, may Evo. Uy. Yes. May EG. Guys, yan yung isa na feature natin kay ma'am. Yan. Very nice. Oh man, solid, sobrang solid nitong event na to. Guys, nyo naman tong lineup na to. From different Civics, FB, EK, tapos EK din, SIR body. Grabe, solid. Ay, ayun, yung Sentra. Solid tong Sentra na to. Solid. Man, solid dito. Grabe, galing. Nice. So, ito. Linis nito. Okay, so basically, it's all about different cars from different builds. And check out this van. It's an Orvan. Ito yung bagong Orvan, no? Yan yun naman, no? Grabe, galing, galing. Of course, small body, big body. So these are the legends of the 90s, basically. So of course, Civic na EK. Ay, SIR body ata. SIR. O sa SIR. Vios. Grabe, galing. Solid. Solid, man. Tapos, May RS na FL. Linis, man. PG. Grabe, ang galing. Solid. Of course, ito. Guys from Friends are from Prosper Society. Ganda ng Yaris, oh. Etong Yaris na to, it never goes out of style. Sobrang ganda, different builds pero solid pa rin yung ano niya. Galing. Very nice. Linis ng bios, oh. Damn. Galing, galing. Solid. So, ayan. Ito na yung mga kotse. Punta tayo doon sa dulo. Kasi meron pa ibang auto doon. Diba? Lamig, no? Lamig din. Gwapo ng Wigo. Galing. Ayun, race. Shoutout sa race squad. Ito, yung isang race. I don't know kung nakita natin to during the event. Ang ganda ng build. Ang build, galing. Solid yung build. Good. Guys, all about cars. Oh. Nice, tingnan nyo to. Ganda ng Yaris, man. Ay! Sir! Sir Humphrey pala to. Guys, Sir Humphrey. But first
cars.
yan yung ano niya. Check out niyo yung ano niya. Facebook page. Good to see you again, sir. Okay. Ito yung GTI. I don't know if it's GTI. Ito yung binibenta sa marketplace. And isa to sa mga cars na one of the cars during the 80s and 90s or late 80s na guys, sobrang build. Ganda ng build nito pa rin. Look, oh, ganda. So shout out dun sa mga friends natin born in the 80s and 90s or 70s, yung mga titos natin, titos na ngayon. So this is usually the car na makikita nyo dati na tinatambay, na stock and lowered. So basically ito yung ganito yung setup. Grabe, solid, oh. It's one of the cars na nagustuhan natin yung design. Grabe, shoutout sa owner nito. Galing. Of course, may Previa. Galing. Gwapo ng Euro to. Ay, very nice. Sobrang solid nitong event na to. Especially pag Stance Pilipinas talaga, you could the cars that you're looking for na magaganda yung build, if you wanna be inspired of the cars na gusto mong makita, may car ka or oh, this is our dream car, man. Hopeful. Grabe, ganda ng FL5. Very nice, man. From all angles, ang ganda. Yun, kung gusto nyo, meron kayong mga cars na meron kayo and you don't know what to do, just check out this video and you'll be guided of different builds. Imagine this mix. Grabe. Who would have thought na meron pang Ford Escort na Mexico. This is a rally design yata. Grabe, man. Solid, man. Solid. Oh guys, meron pa. Solid, ay sir. Grabe, naka-airsus na pala to. Yung kotse pala guys ni Sir Humphrey, naka-airsus na. Nung last time natin siyang feature, hindi pa siya naka-airsus. Pero ngayon naka-airsus na. Guys, gwapo nung dimension, man. Nice. Naka-airsus din. Galing. Solid. Guys, gwapo ng Subaru. Very nice. Ay. Okay. So, ikot naman tayo. This is the Miata area. Andito yung Ay. Sir Carlo Castro in the house. Ayan, ito yung Miata Club. Ito yung Miata na gusto natin. Definitely owned by Mr. Carlo Castro of Cars Plus Coffee.
What's up, man? Thanks,
How are
man.
you?
I like your shirt. I like
Definitely,
your shirt.
sir.
See you, March
Kamusta,
30,
kamusta? Yes, sir, definitely.
Cars Plus Coffee,
March 30.
X, CK, Meet.
Meet na yan.
Anniversary Meet.
Anniversary meet. O nga pala, 1 year na. Guys, tinan nyo. Yan ang pinakagusto kong Mazda na MX-5. Tama ba, sir? MX-5, no?
MX-5,
Anniversary.
NC2.
NC2. Solid.
Ba't may umawak na? May lugar eh. May lighted, may pine trees.
Parang nasa Miami. Ang dami kainan. Parang hindi tayo magkakasama. Long time no see, ah.
Hello, vlog.
Brazilians. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ay, napagod kagabi. Dito, di ko tuloy napakilala. Resilience Media, yan pala. Di ko- Solid, galing.
Bata mo ako.
Galing, solid. Ito pa guys, so Avanza. Yeah, that's nice. Uy, Nissan Eagle.
Shout out to Sir Alan Kirby.
Guys, Porsche na. Ba to? Cayman? Basta, yan. Tapos, wow, ganda. Galing. Galing. Ganda ng Camry, men. Linis. Stock lang. Tapos, mags, okay na. O guys, tingnan nyo yung mga pickup na yun. Nakalimutan ko na ako ng body yan. Pero, LN ba yan? Basta yan. Grabe. Shoutout sa pinsan ko. Hindi mo ba namimiss yung grabe, Toyota Hilux. Very nice. Galing. Uy, 4Runner. Guys, may 4Runner, oh. Nice. Galing. Guys, tingnan nyo itong, yung Zephyro na to, nandito to nung Neo Classic. Tapos, ito yung station wagon na oh, man. Oh, man yan. Mahaba. Grabe, ganda. Galing. Guys, shoutout sa old school Philippines. Ayan, may SR5. Damn. Galing. Ganda. Galing nito. Very nice. Uy, Camry yun. Ganda. Ganda nito. Galing. Yun. Salamat. Sir, long time no see. Long time no see. Andun ako sa Biloche nag-park. Sa kabila dun. Naglakad lang ako dito. Guys, Prosper. Okay. Guys, so Prosper Society, Mr. Ivan Tantopo. Teka lang. Oh. Damn. Solid. Grabe, ang galing. Oh guys, friends natin. Facebook. Wala pa? Okay. Guys, Medea Shots. Grabe pumitik to, ibang klase.
Support nyo rin.
Solid, solid, solid.
Third Domes.
Oy, salamat, salamat. Gary, solid. Medea Shots, guys. Solid to. Guys, Yaris. Pogi ng Yaris. Ay, solid. Of course. Si Midnight. After Midnight. What is up? Alright guys, meron tayo nakita ito. This is a Suzuki, I believe it's an Alto. Correct ma'am? Suzuki Alto. Ayan, shout out kala ma'am and sir. Let's check it out. Nice. Guys, so Suzuki Alto. Diba? Nice. Very nice. Yes, may dumarating pa. O ayan, Evo. Tapos BM. Porsche. Honda Jazz. Galing. Yes, so this is an Innova. Nice. Rally setup. Yes, initial pa natin ng BMW. Nice. Let's check this out. Okay guys, meron pinakilala si Sir Jasper, si ano?
Split 63.
Ayan, Lit 63. Kung gusto niyo mga underglow.
Guys, stop. Okay.
Guys, ito yun. Nag-iiba yung tunog? Paano yun? Paano yun, sir?
May remote siya.
Ah,
So,
okay.
close siya na yun. Pag A open,
Okay.
open na yung valve.
Ah, so yung valve ang
Yes.
nag-open and close.
Yes, pag close, stuck na ulit.
Ang kulit. Guys, follow nyo yung products niya, Lit 63. Kung gusto nyo ng mga underglow at saka ibang accessories pa.
Yun, mufflers.
Mufflers, ayan.
Parating na ako. May on the way na.
Oh, shoutout sa MRS Club. Kay Sir Kaiser. Yung mga na-feature natin. Solid, oh. Ayan. Shoutout din sa mga brands na to. Grabe, ayan. Yan si Sir. Follow niyo yung page niya. Okay, doon sa mga interested, doon sa pinakita ni Sir kanina, yung na, anong tawag doon, Sir?
Valve mufflers.
Valve
Valve muffler.
muffler, okay. So, pwede siya sa iba-ibang
Pwede
kotse.
any car kasi muffler siya sa wall.
Alright.
Papafabricate mo na lang yung muffler. Pwede cut and weld or pwede ka magpa-full exhaust.
Ah,
So, choice mo na lang.
okay.
Then yung wiring, madali lang siya. Pwede straight to the battery or pwede USB. Pwede din sa lighter socket. So, mamili
Okay,
na lang
ah.
kayo.
So, pwedeng itaka sa nanay at saka pwedeng i-flex sa car meet. Tama? Ayan, sa South Junction. Grabing galing.
Mga Honda boys, magpakabit na.
Oo, yung mga nagre-rev, yung mahilig mag-rev para hindi kayo mapagalitan sa mga car meet o kaya sa village. Pagpakabit na kayo nito. Sir, ano ulit tawag doon?
Valve muffler.
Valve muffler only with
It's 63.
Lit
Pero
63.
gagawa ko ng dedicated brand.
Okay, may brand yan. Abangan nyo.
Coming
Just
soon.
Facebook?
Facebook.
Alright. O yun guys. Sir, thank you. Thank you, South Junction. Thank you. Lit 63, thank you. Here at Stans Pilipinas with Jones TV Media.
Nakapit-pit na kahapon yan.
Puta, ito.
Big divers.
Ito ang big time. Guys, naka-top down ha. Tignan nyo naman, oh. Ay, si Kahil, oh. Iba na talaga to.
Iba na,
oh.
papa, oh.
libre.
Uy,
Doon ka no, sa may Innova.
uy. Mamaya ka na umalis. Uy. Uy. Shh, balik ka dito.
Solo ka lang ngayon, DJ? Solo lang. Okay, sige, sige.
Si ano, Remy, ano? DJ. Ano? Alright, let's see you. Okay, bye.
Bigan niya no, Andre?
Ma'am Jenna, oh, yung dream car mo. May 86, oh.
Hindi ko alam na pupunta siya.
Ganda ng Vios na Gen 1, oh. Uy, ano yun? Ito, guys. Ito yung pick-up. Solid. Guys, yung ambience dito, parang ano, parang Daikoku. Tapos may building dito, ayan. Tapos Philinvest.
Wala ka na sisira.
Solid, solid. Grabe. Sobrang chill. Kung car guy ka talaga, dapat nandito ka sa lugar na to. Yan, of course, together with Prosper Society. Shout out sa kanila. Yan, oh, solid. Guys,
Bye-bye, kita tayo
March Coffee. March 30. See you, sir. Ito na mga Miyata Club. Cute eh, no? Eh, gusto ko tuloy magkaganyan dahil sa mga ganyan. Solid. Cute tignan. Thank you, sir. Kala nyo sa stance, ha? Ang ibig sabihin niyan kung ano yung build mo sa kotse mo. Check this out. Uy! Uy! Si Papa mo pala yun? Hindi ko nakilala. Solid. Ingat, ingat, sir. Euro 1. Akala nyo sa Japan lang may taxing small body, ah. O dito din. Yan. By Ma'am Plashats. Ingat, sir. Ford Escort Mexico. Sylvia.
Ano klase?
Very nice. Uy, Rubicon.
Baka hindi na siya.
Wrangler.
Yan ba yung nakakatabi natin dati?
Yun yung first, yung generation na yun, tsaka ito yung bagong generation. Oh, sorry, di ba? Yun yung EK, ito yung FL? FL ba to? Basta, kayo bahala. Comment na lang kayo para may usapan tayo. Anong body to? FL5 ba to? Ay, FL1 ba to? Pero basta yan, bagong Civic. O ito, another Honda CR-V. Ito, Gen 1. Nice. Guys, Sir Joe. Guys, Sir Lawrence Katigbak. Guys, Sir Lawrence, oh. Abangan nyo, wala pa bang car meet?
Wala pa.
Wala pa, o abangan natin yung car meet. Malapit na. Lost Auto Realm.
Thank you.
Thank you, ingat, ingat.
Ingat ba, ingat.
Ingat. Dream car ko. Sorry. Wait, guys, si Sir ano? Luis Gono. Tsaka si Sir Kevin Carlos in the house, Auto Plus. Bukas. Oh, ingat.
Bro, sa dito. Pagdating ng hapon, tayo. Kasi nga daw para magkakasabay kami ng
Ganda nito. Ganda nung Yaris.
Uy, ano na kami kasi may pasok pa yung mga bata.
Alright.
See you soon.
Bye.
Ayan na.
Pasok mga bata.
Eh bata, ikaw wala. Solid.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like and subscribe and be updated and follow for more.
This episode is brought to you by Cool Man Essentials. Check out their Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok for more discount.